Hi everyone. So today we're going to be painting some more ornaments. I'm doing the round ones from Michaels. These are a nice heavy ornament. Actually quite heavy. I'm not used to doing them that heavy for hanging on a tree, but they work fine. I did them last year. They're fine. So today's colors, I'm going to be using the Posse Barn Red. This is Barn Red Shimmer. Just a hint of shimmer. It's a gorgeous color. One of my favorite reds. This is TLP Harvest Gold. That can be found at fluidart.co. And then this is Fireworks from Color Art. So I'm just putting it in because it has a tinge of orange gold in there. So it will definitely work good against the Barn Red. So I'm not using a star for that one. We're going to go ahead and use these rounds. And I think I'll use a white cell activator because I'm going to put the gold on the top. So hopefully the reds won't stain the white cell activator. So with that being said, let's get started.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. And you'll be enough if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. What you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Hey, at least I'm breathing. I know it took a while. Been looking for a sweet song, a sign of spring, waiting for a reason to laugh, to sing. 'Cause I've been spending all my time to figure out just how I've been spending way too many thoughts on what went wrong. But what goes up must come down. Yes, what goes up finally must come down. Hey, at last I'm standing. I know it could be worse. I know it could be broken, we could be crushed, and every word I've spoken could have been my last to you. Instead of spending all my time to figure why you're gone, I've come to this conclusion, in the end, what's done is done. 'Cause what goes up will come down. Yes, what goes up finally will come down. What goes up will come down. Yes, what goes up will come down. What goes up will come down. Yes, what goes up finally will come down. Chance, I know I sure
this feverish dream. You are holding my hand. I have no clue, don't know what it means, but I know you'll understand. 'Cause when you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu. I know for sure you are my missing part. I know that you'll be you. 'Cause you're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the spark takes me higher, sweetheart. Let me be close to you forever and ever, darling. You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. Sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. You are like gold dust over me, just like an angel setting me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Don't let me darken your front door. That is not what I came here for. Do you still carry all that weight? Don't need an answer, just need a debate. Don't stop before it's over. The weight is off your shoulder. Everything we fear will go away. You said it's a promise. I said that I doubt that. I'm your only reason to stay. Darkness has robbed me of my sight. Hold on to what I believe in the light. Are you doing well? Do you feel fine? Don't need an answer, just need a sign. I'm feeling bad, I'm feeling good. Feeling like I never could.
So here they are. They've been developing about 10 minutes. This one, of course, a little bit longer. That was the first one that we did. The white is getting stained by the gold, not by the red, but by the gold. The gold is keeping it contained, which is cool. This was a white base pillow that's showing up through there. But this will change like this cream color as it sits. But I'm not minding it. I think it's very pretty. But we have lots more ornaments to do. I have arabesque tiles. I have more stars and trees, more rounds. I do have some little clear glass ones and some clear acrylics. And another shape of arabesque tile as well. So you're going to be seeing some ornaments from me here and there. I'm trying not to overload my channel with ornaments. Unless it's a new shape and I can let you know where to get them. So, with that being said, I hope to see you all on my Monday night lives at 9 p.m. Eastern, right here on my channel, as well as tutorial Thursdays That is at 8 p.m. Eastern on my channel. And you'll see some premieres from me. Some collaborations with a few groups that I'm in, as well as with Brian or Shelly or Darnell. Just keeping it fresh, keeping it real on my channel, guys. No fake stuff here, that's for sure. And I'm hoping that you're learning something along the way as well. But take care, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.